Welcome back to our channel, where we explore tips and techniques for personal growth and social success. As Maya Angelou once said, I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Today, we're going to share with you 15 simple habits that will make people instantly like you. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of likability? Let's dive in. Number 1. Smile. A genuine smile can work wonders in creating a positive impression. It instantly puts others at ease and signals that you are approachable. Just think of a smile as your social currency. It costs nothing but yields priceless rewards. Number 2. Active listening. People love to be heard and understood. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and responding appropriately. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, and watch your connections flourish. Number 3. Use names. Dale Carnegie once said, "A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language." Using someone's name when you talk to them makes them feel acknowledged and valued. It's a simple yet powerful way to make a lasting impression. Number 4. Show empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes and try to understand their perspectives and feelings. Show genuine compassion and support. Remember, empathy creates a bond that goes beyond words. Number 5. Be authentic. People are drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Embrace your uniqueness, share your passions, and let your true personality shine. Authenticity is magnetic and attracts like-minded individuals. Number 6. Offer compliments. Genuine compliments have the power to uplift and make someone's day. Acknowledge the strengths and positive qualities you see in others. Spread kindness through your words, and watch how it brightens their lives. Number 7. Practice positivity. Maintain a positive mindset and spread positivity wherever you go. Optimism is contagious and can create a harmonious environment. Remember, positivity attracts positivity. Number 8. Be mindful of body language. Your non-verbal cues play a significant role in how others perceive you. Maintain open posture, make eye contact, and use gestures that show interest and engagement. Your body language can speak louder than words. Number 9. Show appreciation. Express gratitude for the efforts and contributions of others. A simple, "thank you," can go a long way in making someone feel valued and appreciated. Gratitude fosters strong bonds and builds lasting relationships. Number 10. Be a good listener. Resist the urge to interrupt or dominate conversations. Let others share their thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you listen attentively, you create a space for meaningful connections to grow. Number 11. Find common interests. Discover shared hobbies, passions, or experiences. These commonalities create an instant bond and provide a solid foundation for meaningful connections. Remember, birds of a feather flock together. Number 12. Practice humility. Be humble and avoid the need to constantly seek validation or prove yourself. Genuine humility allows others to feel comfortable around you and fosters an environment of mutual respect. Number 13. Be supportive. Celebrate others' successes and offer encouragement during challenging times. A supportive friend or colleague is someone who will always be remembered and cherished. Number 14. Keep your promises. Reliability and trustworthiness are key factors in building strong relationships. When you follow through on your commitments, you establish yourself as someone dependable and worthy of respect. Number 15. Practice kindness. Acts of kindness, big or small, have a profound impact on others. Spread kindness wherever you go. Whether it's holding the door for someone, offering a helping hand, or simply being there to listen. Kindness is the language that everyone understands. And there you have it, 15 powerful habits that will make people instantly like you. Incorporating these practices into your daily interactions can transform your relationships and enhance your social connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.